Hello and welcome to my Fire and Ice Project Pan update. I did make some decent progress this month, so let's get into it. First up is the only non-makeup item, and this was a fire item, and it's the Estee Lauder Bronze Goddess Lotion, and I was probably about 1/5 through it at the intro, and I'm almost halfway. I do really like this. It's not the most moisturizing, but it does smell really good. Next up, the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I hoped I could finish this, but I don't know about that. But I did make pretty good progress. I definitely expanded the pan from before. And I really do like this bronzer. And it smells good. And I hope that they sell that perfume individually because I know it came in that set with the bronzer and the blushes. So hoping they sell that individually because I do want to buy that. Okay, and then I wanted to hit pan on 3 highlighters, which was a little aggressive, but I'm still hoping. This one is the Katheleenlights and Makeup Geek palette, and this one, what happened was I wanted to hit pan in this one, and then I used it, and I don't know, I used to love this color, but I didn't find it very flattering. So then I switched over to this color, and I like it much more. Maybe there's a little dent in there, not really. So I don't know, I'm gonna keep working on that, but I definitely do like that color. And then, oh, I'm so excited, the Moonchild. So this is definitely an ice product. I hit pan in Pink Heart. I'm so excited. I love that highlighter, but let me tell you, it is so powdery. The formula in the Moonchild, as a lot of people have said, it's a bit chunky and powdery, so kind of difficult to work with. But I hit pan on it, and I do love that color. It's probably my favorite pink highlighter in my collection. And then the Sun Dipped Glow Kit, a fire item. I hit pan on Summer. Now this one is not as powdery, and this is, whoa, did I just stab it? This one is not as powdery. It's much more firmly pressed, so this took a lot more use. And I had a big dip in it before. This was one of my most used highlighters. So yeah, I have pan, I'm so excited. I love Summer. Summer and Moonstone are 2 of my favorite highlighters. This palette is so good. The formula is much better than the Moonchild. So yeah, that is my Fire and Ice Project Pan update, and thanks for watching.